On this week's episode of Courtoy Kids, we follow
Abigail, Gabriel,
and
Christopher
along their epic outdoor adventures. Stay tuned as they explore a waterfall, jump off rocks into a lake, and go camping in the middle of the forest. So we left our home in Tellico Plains, Tennessee, and began our journey up the mountain to Joyce Memorial Forest in Robbinsville, North Carolina. On our way, we passed epic views, many familiar and incredible destinations like Waterfalls, Indian Boundary Lake, Huckleberry Knob, and many others. For the first stop of the day, we stopped at an unnamed waterfall on the Cheoah River. This fall is family-friendly and wheelchair accessible, literally 50 feet or so from the parking lot to the fall and viewing dock. While we haven't personally jumped off or swam below the fall, we have seen some parents with their kids swimming here. For the second leg of the journey, we drive just 7 minutes down the road to Cheoah Point Beach.
What?
I think those kids are going to jump in over there. Look, they just jumped.
This one's wet.
What you think?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah. I saw. How far out do I have to jump? I'll rate it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. That was a 10. 5, 6, 7.
So for our third and final leg of the journey, we left Cheoah Point Beach and we made a quick pit stop for dinner. Very yummy, yet unhealthy, McDonald's. And we drove about 40 minutes from there through the Joyce Kilmore Slick Rock Wilderness area in the Nantahala National Forest. And we connected over to Forest Service Road 81, also known as Upper Santeetlah Road. And we found a nice little campsite to have some fun, start a fire, and do some exploring. Christopher, get your shoes on. We're going to check out the creek before it gets dark.
Dad, what's this? I am Steve.
Nice, man.
Monster. Wait, it is a monster. Gabriel, do you know where it's at? Oh, you have to go through there. Here come. Put this on fire. Oh. Our board. It's right there. Part of this is an invisible fire. Dad, part of this is an invisible fire.
Cooking some chicken, bud? That's hilarious.
Yeah. What? I'm making Steve's lava chicken, Dad.
That's my idea, Gabriel.
Steve's lava chicken is good, though. I didn't mean to hurt you all. The werewolf came in the house and puffed and burned the house down. And then ate the pig. And then like a tree, it ate the fire. And then the tree ate the cup, and then the cup went alive and ate Gabriel. And then Gabriel was nothing. Give this a bug. Not a frog. He turned into a frog.
Once upon a time, there was this little dog named Socks. And Socks thought it would be a good idea.
Thank you for watching Courtoy Kids. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. We hope you guys have a great day.